So Pocket Option platform offers their own signals for trading, and I've received a lot of questions about their signals. Is it of any use? Do I use it myself? Etc. Let's just try it out. I'm gonna say it right away. Functions like these often play just a secondary or utility role. You see, those signals are generated based on the analysis of all the indicators available on the platform, such as SMA, Bollinger Bands, stochastic, etc. And obviously, using all the indicators simultaneously will not increase the accuracy of your trading, because each indicator has its own market conditions when it performs good, as well as its own market conditions when it performs really bad. So even without testing them out, I can rest assured that they cannot lead you to profit in 100% of the time, nor are they 100% accurate. So I do recommend trying them, but only in conjunction with candlestick analysis. And that's exactly what I'm going to do in this video.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
Today, I'm going to look at what this system shows me, but I will act only if I see the patterns and situations that prove it right. So, how do those signals work? Well, you press the signals button, and then it shows us a list of currency pairs and a signal for any expiration time of our interest. For now, we're gonna leave it on 3 minutes. The more arrows, the higher is the probability of the market going in that specific direction. As I said, it's all simple. By the way, we don't need to keep this list in front of us all the time. You can press here, and then the platform will show you the signals here on the left side of the screen. The time of the signal will be chosen automatically depending on your expiration time. So, let's see how it works in practice. Here's our first example. What do we see on the screen? Our 3-minute expiration signals indicate that the market is going to go up, but there's no rush. Let's see what the 5-minute ones will show. And they tell us that the market is going down. So what do we do now? And now we should start analyzing. We see a double impulse on the chart. Here's the first impulse, then consolidation, and then another impulse upwards. If we trust this pattern, we can assume that the market is going down to the level of consolidation. And that's why I choose the 5-minute expiration mark and buy a put option. Check out where the price should be according to our signal system. In 3 minutes, it should be higher than this level and then fall below. That's pretty much what happened, but the movement upwards was very weak, so I recommend checking all the time frames, as I did. Our next example is even more simple. What would I say? Well, I see a strong movement upwards. I can also determine the level of resistance the market is going towards. It has already gone down a little, so I get a call option with 5 minutes expiration. I missed some entry points because I spent time analyzing the chart and the platform's indicators, comparing them, but some of our trading deals could have been profitable if I had made them in time, as in this example. The market has reached the level of support and then skyrocketed. It was so sudden that I thought it'd be too risky to buy so high. Or here, it's a similar story with a double impulse when I didn't have the time to put in my bid. And here's another entry that I missed, but this situation is different since the pattern is telling us to sell, because the market is going down towards consolidation, while the indicator says that there will be a strong movement upwards. That's why you shouldn't trust them blindly. This is the last transaction I made using the analysis of this signal system. We pinpoint the level of support, resistance, and a trend line. A triangle is formed. The market has reached the level of resistance and is going down, so we can be sure to get a put option until it reaches the level of support. That's also exactly what the platform says. I wait for a little rollback and buy a put option with a 5-minute expiration. That's all I wanted to show you. As I have already said, those signals are to be used only as an auxiliary function, as nothing can replace candlestick analysis and patterns that you see and find yourselves. And yes, you can find the analysis of all my trading activity on my Telegram channel, so do subscribe. See you guys in the next video, stay safe and be in touch.